Hello, welcome to Good Games Tech, and today we're going to be opening the Logitech G102 mouse. In some regions, it might actually be known as the G203. Originally, we weren't going to publish this video, but the mouse has been so good that we purchased a second mouse and we did the unboxing video on that as well. So we thought we've got a really good product here, so we might as well make the video and publish it. This being Logitech's entry-level mouse, you don't really get much in the box. You get a nice sticker, and I think that's a nice touch. They can't spend too much on very many extras here. You're trying to keep at a nice low price point. First, we've got the white mouse. It actually is a cool white, so there's a bit of a grey tinge to it. It's hard to tell in the video, but there's that cool grey undertone. The cable is entirely white as well. That's something to take note. It has an illuminated G logo on the back. It's got a illuminated strip that goes around it. There's a nice feel on the scroll wheel. The buttons are very nice, clicky, responsive. People coming from an ordinary office mouse will think this is just absolutely amazing. But even as a gaming mouse, there's a lot to offer in this package. So one thing with the black one, as you can see, the cable is all black as well. Makes sense, colors match. Personally, I prefer the black one. The white one, I'd probably would like, but I find the white not to be the kind of white that I prefer. It's got that greyish undertone, as I mentioned. I kind of would have preferred that MAC white. And honestly, the only thing that I think this mouse is truly missing is a braided cable. The cable itself doesn't get tangled or stuck or anything like that, but if that cable was braided for the price that you can get these, in Australia, they're selling for $50. In America, they're selling for $25. So it's a very good bargain. For a mouse that's generally going to be used as a desktop mouse, it's closer to the smaller end of mice, being 116 millimeters long and 62 millimeters wide. It's also one of the lighter mice at 85 grams. That's just almost the same weight as the Razer DeathAdder V2, which a lot of people would have felt. That's 82 grams, so very similar weight. The other thing, and this is what really makes it a gaming mouse in reality, is the sensor. And that's what makes it feel so good compared to other, say, office mice, and what makes it so competitive as a gaming mouse. It's actually 200 to 8000 DPI, and that's 1000 reports per second. That's going to make your mouse feel real smooth as you use it. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.